Poopy. Poopy bear. Good girl. Hi. So I bought a new GoPro. It was a refurbished one on Amazon. We'll go check it out later. So here's a quick comparison how these look before that falls. How about that? Clear and evident difference between the two. First of all, one's white. You know, there's black. There's no little screen when there is one right here. It tells me the battery, hours left on the SD card, the time I've been recording, and at what rate I'm recording at, what I'm shooting. Yeah, they came with some fun stuff, I guess, whatever. This lens is attached, and there's nothing I can do about it. This is the standard dealio where it does unscrew. The housing even says black. Just in case I get them confused, I know which one's which. Touch screen. It's recording right now, so. Is it the same? Yep. Yep, plays back. Isn't that neat? Little stability check. Alright. Audio sounds pretty good too. So sweet. Yep, there it is. There's my my GoPro.
Dirty deeds, done dirt cheap. Dirty deeds, done dirt cheap.
Alright, we'll play with that one.
Go get it. Yeah. Oh, she almost got it. Get him on. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Good girl. It's right there. Get.
You just peed on that fucking ball. You seriously just peed on the ball? We were gonna play with this right now, and you had to go fucking pee on it. You know what? That's an outside toy now. We were gonna play fetch, you dummy. Oh my gosh. Now we're gonna buy you a new ball, dummy. Where'd it go?
Get that ball. Get it.
Yeah, it smells like your fucking piss. No, you don't even try to take it inside. And it's gone. What are we gonna play with now, Bear? Richie, remember that stupid frog song? Like the crazy frog that would come out on YouTube? That's what you sound like. Bear, I can't believe that you did this. She really peed on her fucking ball. What are we gonna do? She doesn't even want to pick it up now because it smells like her fucking piss. This is bullshit, Bear.
It's bullshit.
So yeah, Hero7 Black's better, obvious reasons. I mean, I've already talked about how much I don't like the white. It sucks. It's stupid. You know which one to get. Yeah, whatever.
Gosh, this is still such a mess. Ugh. Yeah.